Good morning. Today I'm going to be talking about my ideal classroom in a hypothetical situation where there are no barriers and I have to worry about nothing but teaching. So, in that ideal world of a perfect classroom, what I came up with was breaking barriers through technology. What I think would really be cool to try out or see if it's possible is connecting students from the same or different communities through technologies like Google Classroom. What I was thinking when I came up with this was connecting students not just from high schools around their community, but also high schools in other communities that they're not maybe used to. This would is a creative way to kind of show the kids the world, how they live in this little bubble, but there's so much more out there, and how there's a way to connect with them because of all these great technological advances that would be available to them in this classroom. It empowers learners to learn about other cultures, other communities, and other people. It innovates design because it's a creative way to communicate with other people, not just by text or by email. They could actually talk, like if they're on the phone or like through video. This way, they communicate not only verbally or through text, but also visually. And of course, global community collaboration. When I was thinking about this global collaboration, I was thinking of maybe when we're talking about different schools in different countries, finding a way to connect with those students from different countries and kind of connect cultures and see the differences and similarities between the two. So it's a great way to empower learners, innovate design, and collaborate globally. For teachers, finding a way to connect teachers from the same or different communities at the same time, because not every school district is the same. And I found out the hard way doing my student teaching in a relatively high income, everything's available, every student has a computer or a tablet, to coming to a low income community where we share computer cards with three other classrooms. And if you don't have if somebody checked them out, you have to figure out some other way to teach your lesson. And knowing the fact that students do not have access to the internet or to computers at home, so limiting yourself in what you could teach. How I feel this could be in my ideal classroom, I would instead collaborate or communicate through technology through sites like Google Sites, where you could collaborate not only with other teachers that are teaching your same subject, but also with people from other teachers or students from other communities, bringing in that collaboration. And become a facilitator for learning, meaning that through Google Sites, for example, teachers not only from one school but other schools nearby, or like I said, other places, can collaborate resources and videos and worksheets that they think really work in this one place that everybody has access to. So everybody could put in their 2 cents or what they think is good. And you learn from really good teachers who have been doing it for longer or who have some really great ideas, and they're sharing it with you so that you maybe could bring that to your school. And it's also a great way to teach students by having everything in one place, where students from one school could be doing the same thing as students in another school because they're using the same Google Sites. So this is what my ideal classroom would look like. Every student having the opportunity to have technology at school and in their homes, to collaborate in projects between students from different communities and different schools, through technological advances like Google Hangouts and Google Sites.